I want to thank everyone for coming today. It really means a lot. You know what I mean? One minute he was in my shelf, about to be eaten to fuel my muscle. And the next minute, I guess you just don't ever know when it's gonna happen. And, none of us do. I'm sorry. Today, we lost a good serving of protein. At least. The worst thing is that he left other servings behind. There's other servings that are going to go on and fuel muscle and help repair my body, and he'll never get to feel that. He'll never know what that feels like, and that's, I think, what makes it so hard. I'm sorry.